everyone. How are you doing this morning? Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is my July tea unboxing. If you saw my June video, you saw that I am now collaborating with a subscription box, but I love that it's kind of a subscription box that's unique and different, and it's a tea subscription box, and I am now a tea junkie. As I said in my last video, I never thought I would be drinking so much tea, but I really have kind of gotten into the routine of drinking tea. It's really kind of relaxing for me. I drink it in the afternoons, drink it at night, I drink it before I go to bed. I just like tea, and I never had before. I am so thrilled to be collaborating with Sips By. They are a great company. I looked up some of the top tea subscription boxes, and they are listed as one of them. A lot of people really like them, and I didn't realize how much I was really going to enjoy the box they sent me. I plowed through that box. I loved going downstairs, kind of opening my box, taking out a different tea, trying it. Really enjoyed the teas they sent me last month. So this is going to be the July unboxing of the Sips By subscription box. If you're not familiar with it, or if you didn't see the video I did last month, it is a $15 per month tea subscription box. There is free shipping in the United States. I'm not sure if my promo code still works from last month. I will put it down here, and I will also put it down in the description box. I think it gives $5 off for a new subscription if you sign up. I think that's what it is. I really have enjoyed this box so much. I'm going to run you very quickly through the process of how you sign up for the box. That way you can kind of see how they customize each box for each person. They'll give you a quiz, and they ask you things like, how do you like your tea? Do you like it bagged? Do you like it loose, caffeinated, non-caffeinated? What flavors do you like? Sips By partners with over 150 different tea brands worldwide. That's where they get their teas from. So you're really getting a variety of tea from all over the world. Let me get started, and I will show you the process of how I signed up to get the subscription box, and then I will open my box and I will show you the teas that I got for July. Just a quick rundown of how I signed up for Sips By. This is the opening page. You can actually take the quiz even before you sign up for the subscription box. So I just entered my information, and then you see all the different ways you can get your teas. You can pay $15 every month, 3 months for $45 every 3 months, $84 every 6 months, and then $165 every 12 months. If you take the quiz, you can see some of the questions that they ask, your preferences on. You can create a profile, whether you like caffeine-free or caffeinated tea. Do you like your teas loose or bagged? You could even have a mixture of loose and bagged tea, and a mixture of caffeine and caffeine-free teas. Do you like your tea flavored or unflavored? And there's a slew of questions on what types of teas you like to drink, what type of flavor profiles you like. They ask you what types of tea you might be interested in trying, and they even ask you your brew style. How often you like to drink tea, do you have any dietary preferences, and do you have any allergies? So that's basically it, super easy. And now let me show you what I got this month in my box. So the teas arrived to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sips By on it. I believe they give you a tracking number so you can track your shipment to see when it's due to arrive. And then you open your box and they show you the month's card inside. This is July's box, so we have the July teas listed. You just flip that over on the back, and it tells you all the teas that are in your box and gives you a little information on them. For example, where they've come from, how to brew them. And as you can see, I received some Earl Grey tea. I received some lemon and ginger tea. That one's caffeine free. And because on my quiz I said I do like the taste of some sweet teas, they throw some in for me. They sent me some almond cookie tea and also some vanilla matcha tea. So right now I am just taking all the bags of tea they sent me. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of the lemon and ginger tea, and that is from Teapigs. They also included this little muslin cloth tea bag. Inside of it are disposable individual tea pouches. So if you have loose tea, you can put those in the pouches and then put them in your teacup. And the 2 sweeter teas that they sent me, this one is almond cookie, and it is from Cookie Tea. This pouch holds 4 servings, so I am very interested in testing this one out. And they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 tea bags of Earl Grey tea. And finally, the vanilla matcha is also a slightly sweeter tea, and that's going to be the tea we test out today. There's also just an informational card on one of the companies. This is from Ahmad Tea. Just tells you a little bit about the company. Just an informational little card, which is always nice to include in here. And that was my July box. I can honestly say this box has given me so much enjoyment, more enjoyment than any makeup box could ever give me. I love these teas. And for today's tea, we are testing out the vanilla matcha. Put a couple teaspoons of it in a cup, put some hot boiling water in, give it a little bit of a stir, and it was absolutely fabulous. I can honestly say I love this subscription box. I just have gotten so much enjoyment out of drinking the teas that they sent me. I will put it down here and down in the description box along with a link to Sips By. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.